It was just my first meeting with him. Just it was a cordial meeting.
Okay.
More of a show of respect.
Rohit Monsaraj is standing for the election.
Sorry?
Rohit Monsaraj
Why? Why is standing? He's not a mayor. He's
for
a
assembly
mayor.
election.
Huh? What?
For the 5 of them, Rohit Monsaraj is there.
Who five from there?
Tiswadi.
Well, I told you, no, he's already a mayor. So he will
भाऊस आणि
get
एक दुसरी गजाल म्हणजे
Yeah.
तुमचो जो लागींचो मनीस ताळीगांवचो सरपंच जो आसा तो म्हणटा की आपण सांताक्रूज कॉन्टेस्ट करतलो हे फावट म्हणून कित्याक टोनीचो तितलो परफॉर्मन्स बी
कोणाक जर खुशी हा contest because everyone can contest. Now as far as Panjim is concerned, see now you tell Mr. Siddharth Kunkolkar is there, Mr. Utpal Parikar is there. Everyone can be basically, even I am there. We all will be basically trying for ticket. Ultimately, the party who will be deciding. We will abide by the party. Whoever the party gives ticket, we will basically stick to that. As simple as that. So there is, anyone can claim for any ticket and all.
Okay,
So same thing. It is good in democracy, no, that that there is basically a scope for everyone. Everyone feels that, Baba, I may be the candidate. So I should not basically take it for granted or take the party for granted, saying, because I am a sitting MLA, I will only get a ticket. So anyone can
So
get
in
it.
तिसवाडी तालुका तुमचो मेजर रोल आसतलो अशें आमी
No, I will not take, and there is no question of role. I can also, I can tell with confidence that all 5 seats, as far as Tiswadi is concerned, that the BJP will win. Earlier, when Mr. Manohar Parrikar was there, it is only 1 seat that they should win as far as Tiswadi is concerned. There is a pending. Rest 4 seats the Congress issue. But this time I assure you, all the 5 seats. Let anyone talk anything whatever they want. But this is my gut feeling.
सो तुमी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेतले 5 सीट्सांची बीजेपीक सांगता
Why responsibility? See, we have got our MLAs there. Plus, we have got well wishes. In that, looking at that, I have got confidence that we are going to win all this. And I don't find it.
जे मनोहर पर्रीकाराक जमना ते तुमी 5 सीट बीजेपी
No, I am not Zomona Manohar Parrikar Zomona. I am not saying that. I am just trying to say that Mr. Manohar Parrikar. See, no one could throw Mr. Manohar Parrikar for the past 20-25 years. It is only because of his untimely death. That is the reason I could basically get it. Otherwise, if Mr. Manohar Parrikar was there, I would have never been able to win against him, to tell you frankly. I have always said, Mr. Manohar Parrikar comes first.
So, was there any clashes between you and Govind Gowda yesterday?
No. So I just came there. I met the Chief Minister and I met Mr. Satish Dhawan. And I just told him, because my nephew was supposed to leave actually to London. So I just told him I'm just going early, because I didn't even attend the meeting. And I don't have any clash with him. I've got good relations with everyone. The ruling, the opposition, everyone, all the parties.
Even Congress.
I've got good relations with everyone, but I'm here.
Even-
I stand here.
Even Uday Madkekar.
See, I am just saying. See, I am not talking about any individual now. You asked me about about a party and about other this thing. That's what I'm telling you. I have got relations with everyone.
तुमचो स्टेटमेंट जाता तुमी केलो की यू हॅव गुड रिलेशन विथ एवरीवन सो
Yeah.
याचो अर्थ कितें घेवप पॉलिटिकल वे तुमकां दिसना
No. When I'm telling you what I'm telling you, I'm not thinking one thing. I'm talking another thing. I'm just telling you what I'm feeling. I've got relation with everyone. To tell you frankly, all people, all my colleagues, they were my some people, even the ex-MLAs and all, they were my colleagues. They're still my friends. And even in the ruling, the opposition, they are still my friends. I don't consider them to be my enemies and all. They're my friends and all. Political, we may have a different opinion. But I am here, as I told you, I am here in this thing. Let other people also try for the ticket. So whoever is the best, the party decides. Party survey also is going on. Whoever the party decides to give the ticket, so be it. We will all work unitedly to see that we win the seat. Thank you. Bye.